Yeah, for you to sing.
All about the face, all about the hold on.
Is that the sound you wanted to make? Or you want to change the sound?
Hold on.
Nice.
This is your favorite song too.
Mm-hmm.
Do you have a day shirt on? Okay. I'll take this other shirt off.
Okay, we will. Go ahead and play your song.
This is my first song.
Okay.
Mary had a sheep. That's my favorite song. Watch this. Mary had a sheep. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb as white as snow.
Good job.
That's my favorite song.
Thanks.
Mary had a little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb as white as snow.
Ta-da.
Ta-da!
Bow and say thank you. Thank you.